Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're going to do some analysis here. Describe. It shows an overview of the data frame. Like counts the values, mean calculates the average, min gets the minimum, and those are quartiles, the percentages. Max gets the maximum, and that's the standard deviation. Low standard deviation is close to the average. High standard deviation is far from the average. Now, standard deviation is large, has spread out, because the max, if you look at max, the maximum salary is 960k, and the minimum is 15,000. Yeah, so the salary has spread out a lot, like wildly. We can also use describe to use it on individual columns. So let's do it on salary year average. Yes. So as you can see, you can use it on the individual columns as well. We can use count in particular. So that's if we remove this column and run it. Now it calculates the rows in each column, and it keeps the non-missing values, so it doesn't calculate, it doesn't count the missing values. We do also have mode, so we're going to use mode. Yes, here. On salary year average. So what mode does is gets the most frequent value. Yeah, as you can see, the most frequent value, like the most value that we have, is 90k. So now we want to get the index of the maximum of value salary year average. To do that, we use index, so this stands for index max. So yeah, that's the maximum value of salary year average. Remember to inspect this. We're gonna use ilog to get the row of this index. Yeah. See, salary year average, the maximum is 960k. How about the unique count of job titles? So we're gonna be using value counts. So that's the unique count of job titles. Group by and aggregation. So group by, to group your data frame by the unique values. To do that, you use group by, so let's say we want to find the average yearly salary by by job title short. So yes. Group by average. So we're going to use mean function, mean method, so function. Anyway, you're gonna remove this for clarity. So let's run it now. Yes. So that's the average yearly salary by the job title short. What if you want to look at the median? So we're going to use median method. There you go, that's the median. We can also use aggregation, method. And we can pass functions to this, like min and max. This is it. Yeah. Thank you for listening.